so difficult. I don't understand.
Oh my gosh, you can't even do math?
No.
It's so easy. Go back to kindergarten. Hey, you.
Me?
Yeah, you. Are you having trouble doing math?
Yeah.
Well, I have the DVD for you.
Nobody even watches DVDs anymore.
Are you kidding me? Try so hard. This DVD includes
Your own personal tutor.
PEMDAS!
Beatrice the Third.
Hi, guys. That's the Niffins.
The numerator, which is the top number, is equal to the exponent, and the denominator, which is the bottom number, is the radical.
To elaborate further,
A radical expression is any expression containing the radical symbol, what we know as a square root. And a rational exponent, also known as fraction exponents, represent both an integer exponent and the nth root. The root is on the bottom and the exponents are in the numerator.
now you got it. Let's move to some problems. Example 1. Evaluate the expression. Here we have 8 to the power of 1 over 6, c to the power of 5 over 6, and d to the power of 23 over 6. So because all of these have a common denominator, they can be put under the same radical of 6. C is to the power of 5 because that's in its numerator. And 8 cannot be simplified, and c to the 5th cannot be simplified, but d to the 23rd can be simplified because its numerator is greater than 6. So we get d to the power of 3 and that is your final answer. Wait, what? Wait, why? You may be wondering why 23 is split up like this. That's because 23 is not divisible by 6 into a whole number. So then we have to have the highest divisible number by 6 that goes into 23, which is 18, with a remainder of 5. 18 is 6 times 3, so then d to the 3rd ends up on the outside. We get the radical now, an 8, c to the 5th, and d to the 5th with the remainder.
Evaluate the expression. Okay, so we have the square root of 63 times x to the 5th times y to the 18. So 63 is divisible by 9 and 7 because they multiply to get 63. 9 is divisible by 3 because you both get 2 3's. So 3 goes on the outside and 7 goes on the inside. Now x to the 5th, you can divide that by 2, which leaves you a remainder of x. And then y to the 18th, you can divide that by 9, which divides out evenly. So you end up with a remainder of x and no remainder of y. So then y would go on the outside along with x. So you would have out here 3x squared y to the 9th. Then in the radical, you would have just 7x, because that's what you have left over.
Real world example, story time!
Go. Okay, so let's say you want to buy a house because it was real perfect, right? But the tax of the house was raised by inflation because Donald Trump became president in 2017. So you're sitting there wondering, how much does a house actually cost?
Great job! does math. You nerd.
I do.